Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you what will happen after we put tin foil into a microwave. So what you're going to need is tin foil and a microwave. So take a piece of tin foil. Not too big, just something about that size. And now I'm going to open up the microwave. And let's say, crumble it up but not all the way and put it in like that. Okay? So I'm going to put this in for about 30 seconds. Now we're going to watch the magic. Alright, well, I guess that was it. Let's see. Wow, looks hot. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Have a nice day.